In September 2023, a bridge between the New Artisan and New Triangle section of the Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway in Enugu collapsed. Thereafter, lawmakers of the Enugu State House of Assembly called on the federal government to take action to work on the collapsed bridge to ease the difficulties of road users caused by the bridge collapse. The federal government heeded the call, and reconstruction work on the collapsed Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway bridge kicked off on Friday, November 10. So today we are looking at the current state of the road and how far they have gone with the road construction. Give us a thumbs up by liking the video, comment and share your thoughts about the road construction, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below so you can be notified anytime we post our new video. The governor had announced that the palliative work on the collapsed bridge will begin on one lane of the bridge that was still standing to ensure it was ready for use within no time. The Enugu state government has announced that it will reopen one lane of the Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway collapsed bridge for use, and this has been done. As you can see, everyone is driving one lane. This was disclosed by Gerald Otiji, the Enugu State Commissioner for Works, while briefing newsmen after the State Executive Council meeting held at the Government House, Enugu. Recall that in November 2023, Governor Peter Mba announced that the federal government would commence reconstruction work on the collapsed Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway bridge on November 10. The commissioner revealed that the reason why the Enugu state government wants to reopen one lane of the Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway bridge is to prevent trucks from driving through the state capital city. With this, we can direct all the trucks to ply the road instead of coming into the state capital. We are also having a traffic management team that will help to control traffic in the state, the commissioner explained. We will begin reconstruction immediately, Umuahia assures. The Minister of Works, Engineer Dave Umuahia, which assured of immediate reconstruction of the bridge between the New Artisan flyover and the Naira Triangle at the Enugu end of Enugu-Portharcourt Expressway. Umuahia, who was present at the commencement of the reconstruction work of the bridge, said funds for the project were covered in the 2023 supplementary budget. Umuahia, who blamed the bridge collapse on eroded abutment and age, having been constructed in 1978, also commended Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State for undertaking to dualize the Enugu State part of the Enugu-Abakaliki road, saying the governor had shown leadership in ameliorating the plight of his people. Umuahia spoke when he inspected the collapsed bridge in company with Governor Mba, and this was what he said. The bridge that collapsed has gone viral. A lot of people have been sending the pictures to me and I have been calling. Also, you never allowed me to rest since you said I must come and see it. When you have a leader who is committed to what leadership of a people should be, he must get support. That is why I decided I must come so that I will brief the president. I sent the man in charge of bridge design and construction and also the director of Federal Ministry of Works in charge of the Southeast. They came and carried out their review. What has happened here is very unfortunate. I have read the report of my men and I have also read the reports you sent to us and the pictures, and the two reports are the same. The piles were exposed because beside the abutment, this bridge was built in 1978, and we are going to scale up the reconstruction of the two bridges alongside the road that is going on. I want to assure you that we will do that, and I have directed the contractors to do everything to provide alternative roads in addition to the several routes that you have also provided, the minister says. Mba comments federal government prompt response. On the governor's plan to reconstruct and dualize the Enugu Abakaliki road, Umuahia assured that the federal government would expedite the necessary approvals. Let me also use this opportunity to thank you for your initiative in constructing a dualized road between Enugu and the Ebonyi boundary. It is a very wonderful initiative. We have gotten your letter, and I have also sent my men to come and evaluate it. I can assure you that within the next 7 days, you must hear from us. We are reviewing the drawing. We will also give you our standard and bill of quantities, he said. He also commended Mba's suggestion on getting states involved in federal road maintenance, saying it showed the private sector mentality the governor had brought to bear on governance. Give us a thumbs up by liking this video, comment and share your thoughts about the road construction as we continue to drive through to see how far they have gone with the road construction. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe and the notification button below, so when next we post our new video you can be notified.